Yes, you're doing it! Did you press the button yet? You don't have to hold it down. Ah! Wait a second!
I got that for it. How do I zoom in?
Get off of it, O'Malley! Don't bite it.
I got that.
What are you doing? You see that? He's like holding onto it. There it's enough! I'm the voice of the kitty. I will attack it!
Oh, that's so
I
cool.
will not leave! I want it! I want it! I want it! Oh, shiny! Shiny!
Oh, I got that! I got that! I got that!
Shut up!
I got that! I got that basket!
I want it! It's shiny! Apparently, O'Malley enjoys it more than you do.
Yeah, he likes everything.
I am the kitty cat who will get the lightsaber and become a Jedi kitty.
Actually, Abby,
I am the Jedi
Abby,
kitty.
there's a place about Star Wars about Jedi kitty. How this guy is swinging a lightsaber, and there's a cat going like this. There's a cat going like this, and it shows a green lightsaber blade swinging.
This is the kitty cat. The first Jedi kitty.
Okay, I got him from back here.
I want the lightsaber.
Oh!
Never back. No. I will.
For 2 minutes already.
Do you see what he's doing?
Need to get close up. Oh, I see it now.
My God.
We should do it in the dark. We should do it in the dark.
He's the lightsaber assassin.
He's killing the lightsaber.
He's trying to bite it. That's what he's trying to do. I'm going to pin you down. It's following it. Oh, he hugs it. He's killing its power. It's not killing him.
Because he's Jedi kitty. He's lightsaber proof.
5 minutes. You get stay on the ground. You are not going to pass.
The cat is really dark right now. Hey, buddy.
It's mine, I tell you. Why are you trying to stuff it in your mouth?
Rocco's,
It's not going to fit.
Rocco's watching the show.
Yeah, Rocco, your brother's an idiot. Must have lightsaber. Must eat it.
Hi, kitty.
It tastes like milk.
He's like milk.
It must. He's eating it.
Get it out! Get it out! Get it out!
Come over here.
He's eating. I see his teeth. Get it out so he doesn't break it.
He's not going.
It's my lightsaber. Just
Apparently, it's.
Abby. Oh my gosh, Abby.
Can I have it back now, O'Malley?
Oh, Abby.
Did you see that?
Abby.
He's like, no.
Abby. In real life, that's where lightsabers are all blue. Abby, the lightsaber blade's blue, but on the camera it's white in the center and a blue corona around it, like in the show. Oh, and it swings just like that.
I
Okay,
know
go back to go,
you're
Abby.
idiot.
Abby, go back there and swing it. Go back there and swing it.
Ah, get.
Abby, go back. Go back. Step back a sec. What? I'm done.
Let me see.
Huh?
There was a little bit of fight going on with the kitty and the lightsaber.
Hold on.
I dubbed the.
What?
Can
Huh?
I have my camera back?
Hold on. It's been 9 minutes. Want it back? Alright. Want it back. It's doing it back on O'Malley. Come on. Doing it back on O'Malley.
He's not really interested in it anymore. Yes, he is.
Hi, buddy.
He goes to the camera watching me eat a lightsaber. Now I want the string. Lightsabers are overrated. Now it's the string. Halt. What are you doing? He's reaching for my must-have. Must-have. See that?
I will do that again. I got him backwards.
Must-have. Have him in a trance. I must have it! I'm O'Malley, and I will eat it too if I get the chance.
Turn it back on.
It's not
Turn it back on. Turn it back on. Turn it back on. I see him.
Watch. I don't get to the camera.
That's my sister Abby right there. With the lightsaber. Facing the indestructible kitty cat. Or should I say Instructo Kitty? And here's Parker.
Easy!
Okay. Got it. He's not gonna die no matter what you try.
I want the lightsaber. Must watch every move. Can't resist. I did these. Cat. I walk away with you. And still wasn't it's every
Oh, it looks like you stabbed him.
Yeah, now he's eating it. Give it back.
Whee!
Give it. Give it. Get ouch.
That's the kitty cat O'Malley.
And O'Malley's going upstairs.
And I have an investigation in my head while I do my homework, and it's so boring. I have to do stupid.
What the heck, O'Malley?
Ow.
O'Malley, you're gonna fall off.
I can't even see a thing when you're.
He's trying to eat it. O'Malley, quit turning it off. What the heck? Are you dead?
Have you tried doing it in here?
No, he won't come.
Yes,
He's not allowed to be in there anyway.
The door's closed.
Okay. I think he's done.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
No,
Hold on, I need to see O'Malley again. I see his paws.
Fine.
And that was the kitty cat O'Malley.
I'm sure everybody on. Whoa! What the? Turn it off.